Struggling with shoes that are just a bit too big can be incredibly frustrating, right? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, MATIE Fix Heel Grips. First up is the MATIE Fix Heel Grips, priced at $12.92. What grabbed my attention is that it comes with 4 pairs, which is fantastic if you have multiple shoes that need some extra love. If you're looking to prevent heel slip and blisters, this is worth a serious look. These heel grips are made from soft suede material, which is breathable and comfortable against your skin. They're self-adhesive, meaning you just peel off the back and stick them right on your shoe. This means you're just a few seconds away from a snugger fit. With over 8,000 units sold recently, it's clear these grips are popular among folks with loose shoes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of your heels slipping out, these grips can instantly give you that extra security, making your shoes feel like they were custom fit. Now, I did find some complaints online about their durability. Some users mentioned that after repeated use, they started losing their stickiness. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who rotates shoes frequently, this might not be a deal breaker for you. Plus, with a 30-day refund policy, you can try them risk-free. This is perfect for you if you have several pairs of shoes that need adjusting, but skip this one if you want something that's going to last for months without needing a change. Overall, for the price, you get a solid option. Now, if MATIE Fix's durability concern has you thinking twice, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Reutnum Heel Pads. Next up, we have the Reutnum Heel Pads, available for $11.62. What stood out to me is the thickness of these pads, specifically designed to keep your feet snug while preventing that annoying heel slip. If heel pain is a concern for you, these are definitely worth checking out. These heel grips are made from high-grade soft suede with a thickness of 0.24 inches. That's a thoughtful design choice because it effectively reduces friction between your shoes and your heels, which is essential for those prone to blisters. The sturdy adhesive ensures they stick around without leaving a sticky mess behind, which is a major plus for easy application. With more than 5,000 pairs flying off the shelves, it's clear that many people trust this brand. However, I did notice that some users claim that the grip can shift slightly over time. Here's my perspective. If you wear these in shoes that you know will fit snugly enough, this might not even be an issue for you, especially for casual or dress shoes. This is perfect for you if you want a quick fix for loose shoes without worrying about glue residue, but skip this if you need something that stays put through heavy activity. At this price, they offer good value for occasional use. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you who are super active. Product number 3, MUKIFINE Heel Pads. Coming in third, we have the MUKIFINE Heel Pads, also priced at $12.92. What really caught my eye here is the combination of durability and comfort they promise, which is crucial if you've been dealing with heel slipping. If you're looking for full protection, these are worth considering. These heel cushions use a quality memory foam that molds to your heel, preventing blisters and discomfort. The back glue is designed to be mesh traceless, which means it won't damage your shoes when you peel them off. This feature is especially important if you switch between shoes often. Also, with 5,000 units sold recently, it indicates a solid level of trust from previous buyers. Here's why it matters. The combination of comfort and protection means you can wear your favorite shoes longer without the usual heel pain. On the downside, some users did express that they found the pads a bit on the thick side, which might not work well for everyone. Here's my take. If you prefer a snug fit, this thickness could actually work in your favor, but if you like a more minimalist feel, you might want to consider that. This is perfect for you if you want comprehensive protection from blisters, but skip this one if a thinner padding is more your vibe. For the quality, I think you'll find these pads a good investment. Now, if the thickness of the MUKIFINE pads made you hesitate, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, Dr. Foot Heel Grips. Next on our list is the Dr. Foot Heel Grips, priced at just $6.58. I was intrigued by the value you get here, especially since they come with a free shoe horn. If you're on a tighter budget but still want comfort, this one's a find. These heel grips are designed to prevent slipping, rubbing, and blisters thanks to their soft, ergonomic design. The foam is topped with microsuede, which feels great against your skin. Plus, they fit easily into most types of shoes, so you can use them across your wardrobe without any fuss. With 5,000 pairs sold, it seems like a lot of people are finding them useful. Here's why it matters. If you need a low-cost solution to keep your shoes from slipping, these grips can help you get through the day without sore feet. However, some reviews noted that they can sometimes come unstuck if you don't apply them perfectly. Here's my take. If you take a moment to ensure proper placement, you shouldn't have too many issues, but if you're someone who moves a lot, you might want to consider other options. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and effective way to enhance your shoe fit, but skip this if you want something super durable. At this price point, you really can't go wrong. Now, if Dr. Foot's slight sticking issue concerns you, the last product might be the ultimate solution for long-lasting comfort. Product number 5, Reutenem Metatarsal Pads. Finally, we have the Reutenem Metatarsal Pads available for $12.92. What's fascinating here is the combination of heel and ball of foot cushioning, which is a unique approach if you struggle with overall foot discomfort. If foot pain is something you deal with regularly, this could be a winning combo. These pads include 2 different types of cushioning, one for your heel and one for the ball of your foot. This combination allows you to customize your comfort based on your specific shoe needs. The soft gel and suede materials provide fantastic cushioning, making it easier to wear shoes that are a bit big. With 4,000 pairs sold, it's clear that many people appreciate this dual functionality. Here's why it matters. If your shoes are a bit too big and you often experience foot pain, having dedicated padding for both the heel and ball of foot can significantly improve your overall comfort. On the downside, some users found that the gel pads can feel a little bulky in tighter shoes. Here's my perspective. If you're wearing open-toe sandals or shoes with a looser fit, you'll likely not notice the bulk, but in tighter shoes it might be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want comprehensive support for your entire foot, but skip this if you prefer a minimalist cushion. For the price, it's a solid investment in your comfort. So that wraps up my top picks for heel grips. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the MUKIFINE heel pads because they provide the best balance between comfort and protection for those who deal with heel pain. Avoid the Dr. Foot heel grips if you want something that won't unstick during heavy use. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with. So to quickly recap, the MATIE Fix heel grips offer great value for multiple pairs, while the Reutenem heel pads give you a solid fit with premium materials. The MUKIFINE heel pads are all about full protection, and the Dr. Foot heel grips are perfect for those on a budget. Lastly, the Reutenem Metatarsal Pads provide relief for both heel and forefoot discomfort. Trophy, if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the MUKIFINE heel pads because they provide the best balance of comfort and protection for those who deal with heel pain. Avoid the Dr. Foot heel grips if you need something that won't unstick during heavy use. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.